Tie a knot and wrap the ring with yarn. Continue all the way around until the ring is completely covered. Tie a knot to the original end and trim it off. With embroidery floss, tie a knot to the ring. Pull the embroidery floss a few centimeters across and wrap it around the ring and back through the opening, pulling it tight. Continue all the way around until you get back to your starting point. Once you complete the first circle, continue the same process of looping the embroidery floss over, under, and through the midpoint of each section, tightening the floss as you go. Work your way to the middle and tie it off with a knot. Thread beads onto embroidery floss and tie it to the feather. Create 3 in total. Tie these to the bottom of the ring. Tie a strand of beads to the top of the ring, which already has a loop at the top for easy hanging.